Chapter 1: Sources for the History of Modern India. Archive materials. In central government, National Archives of India is located in New Delhi. James Rinnell is the first Surveyor General of Bengal in 1767. State government records comprises of former British Indian provinces, princely states which were incorporated in the Indian Union after 1947, Kingdom of Lahore, popularly known as Khalsa Darbar. Pre-British public archives in India is the Peshwa Daftar. Maratha Kingdom housed in the Alienation Office, Pune, Rajasthan State Archives at Bikaner, History of Princely States, the history of Dogra rule from 1846 in Jammu and Kashmir, housed at Jammu, Gwalior, Indore, Bhopal and Rewa, all archives in Madhya Pradesh, Travancore and Cochin in Kerala, Mysore in Karnataka, Kolhapur in Maharashtra. In three presidencies, archives of Bombay Presidency, housed in the Maharashtra Secretariat Record Office, Bombay, are extremely useful in studying the history of Western India. Other European rulers, Dutch records of Cochin and Malabar are in the Madras Record Office and those of Chinsura in the State Archives of West Bengal. The French archives of Chandranagar and Pondicherry were taken to Paris. The archives of the Danish possessions were also transferred to Copenhagen when the Dutch sold Tranquebar and Serampore to English East India Company in 1845. The remaining Danish records relating to Tranquebar housed in the Madras Record Office. Judicial records. The records of the Mayor's Court at Bombay, established in 1728, are available in the Maharashtra Secretariat Record Office. Private archives. Indian National Congress records are housed in the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library in New Delhi. Foreign repositories. The Archives Nationales, Paris, and the archives of the French Ministries of Foreign Affairs, Colonies, and War have records that throw light on the history of French possessions. The British Museum possesses collections of papers of British viceroys, secretaries of states, and other high-ranked civil and military officials who were posted in India. The records of the Dutch East India Company is available in Rijksarchief, The Hague, and that of the Danish and Portuguese are kept in Copenhagen and Lisbon respectively. Abbé Dubois wrote Hindu Manners and Customs book. British travelers, James Burness wrote Narrative of a Visit to the Court of Sindh. Alexander Burness wrote Travels into Bukhara. C.J.C. Davidson wrote Diary of the Travels and Adventures in Upper India. John Butler wrote Travels and Adventures in the Province of Assam. Non-British travelers. Victor Jacquemont wrote Letters from India describing a journey in the British dominions of India, Tibet, Lahore and Kashmir during the years 1828 to 1829. Baron Charles wrote Travels in Kashmir and the Punjab. Newspapers and journals. First newspaper in India entitled the Bengal Gazette or the Calcutta General Advertiser or Calcutta Gazette, which is established in 1784. From 1788 onwards, Madras Courier newspaper has been started. Bombay Herald is started in 1789. The Hindu and Swadeshi Mitran newspaper is started by G. Subramaniam Iyer. Kesari and Maharata newspaper by Balagangadhar Tilak. Bengali newspaper by Surendranath Banerjee. Amrita Bazar Patrika by Sisir Kumar Ghosh and Motilal Ghosh. Sudarak newspaper by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Indian Mirror newspaper by N. Sen. Voice of India by Dadabhai Naoroji. Hindustan Advocate newspaper by G.P. Verma. The Tribune and Akbar-e-Ayam is in Punjab. Hindu Prakash, Jnan Prakash, Kal and Gujarati in Bombay. Som Prakash, Banganivasi and Sadarani in Bengal. In Indian nationalists and revolutionaries living abroad published newspapers and journals. Indian Sociologist is in London by Shyamji Krishna Verma. Bande Mataram newspaper by Madam Kama in Paris. Talwar newspaper by Virendranath Chattopadhyaya in Berlin. Ghadar newspaper by Lala Hardayal in San Francisco. Creative literature. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote Anandamath, which is about Sannyasi revolt of 1760. Rajasimha is his last work. Icharam Suryayam Desai wrote Hind Ane Britannica in Gujarati language. Girija Devi and Ramatirtha Tammal wrote Mohanra Rajani and Dasikalin Mosa Valai respectively. Girija Devi wrote Mohanra Rajani, Ramatirtha Tammal wrote Dasikalin Mosa in Tamil. G.V. Krishnarao's Keelubommalu in Telugu language. Vaikom Muhammad Bashir wrote Balyakala Sakhi. Takari Shivasankara wrote Tottiyude Makkan and Chemmin in Malayalam language. Paintings. Company paintings are also referred as Patnakalam. Focused on street and bazaar paintings shows British heroism and British sufferings in India. Relief of Lucknow painted by Thomas Jones Barker in 1859. In Memoriam by Joseph Noel Patton, recorded in painting 2 years of the revolt of 1857. Calicut painting 4 in Calcutta. Abanindranath Tagore started Bengal School of Painting. This is not Rabindranath Tagore, this is Abanindranath Tagore. Forts. Fort Williams is in Bengal. Fort St. George is in Madras. Fort St. Angelo in Malabar. Fort St. David in Bombay. Thank you.